In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited points on the Microsoft Rewards. So as you can see, guys, when I open up the app, you can see I got 483,000 points, and if I press Auto Farm and press a certain amount, it will start activating. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly to get the Microsoft Rewards points. So let's get right into the video. This is a modded app. I want to stress that this is not the normal app. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to get free points on the Microsoft Rewards right now in 2024. So the first step is to go to ZooMod's website, modded website, right? Next up, we're going to type in the name. So let's do that right here. I'm going to type in Microsoft Rewards, and as you can see, it says Microsoft Rewards mod. So press on that and wait for it to download, and you're going to be all set. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you in another video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I'm broke. I have no wave game points, but now I got the mod and I'm rich. So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is super crazy, as you can see right here. What the hell? Nah, bro. So be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. Get the word out. This is super cool. Totally working method for 2024, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to share it. I'll see you tonight. Hope you enjoyed, and peace out.